The 2026 VW Jetta 1.5 TSE stands out with its clean, confident lines and a modern European-inspired design. Brought to you by Berge Volkswagen. Its refreshed front fascia, LED headlights, and sleek taillight design create a refined, yet sporty look. Sitting on 17-inch alloy wheels, the Jetta's balanced proportions give it a composed stance that's both stylish and functional. Under the hood, the Jetta 1.5 TSE is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. The precise steering and composed suspension provide a comfortable yet responsive drive that shines on both highways and city streets. The rear cabin of the Jetta is spacious, offering generous legroom and headroom for passengers. The contoured seats are designed for comfort on long drives, and the fold-down rear seatbacks expand cargo flexibility, making it easy to carry larger items when needed. Inside, the Jetta 1.5 TSE feels upscale with its soft-touch materials, leatherette seating surfaces, and a clean dashboard layout. The cabin offers a quiet, refined atmosphere, and the power-adjustable driver's seat ensures personalized comfort. Subtle ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication to evening drives. Volkswagen equips the Jetta 1.5 TSE with advanced safety features like forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitor, and rear traffic alert. Available adaptive cruise control and lane assist enhance driver confidence on longer trips. Practical touches like heated front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a large trunk make the Jetta SE easy to live with. With excellent visibility and user-friendly controls, it's designed to make every drive relaxed and intuitive. A 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with App Connect integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly. The Jetta SE also includes keyless access with push-button start, a digital driver display, and optional wireless smartphone charging, keeping you connected without distractions. The 2026 VW Jetta 1.5 TSE blends sophistication, efficiency, and smart technology into one well-rounded package. It's a compact sedan that feels premium without the premium price, perfect for drivers who value comfort, performance, and modern design in one refined daily companion. You can view our selection at bergevw.com. Give us a call at 480-646-4858 or visit our showroom today.